Creak open slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind drip dress run everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Gulch just laughs, welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cute! Witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. Oh, saw jungle night. Wow. Moon is bright. Magic book starts glowing like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Pretty starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. A, Mr. A, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the alligator's tail. Hide away. End of the trail. Mr. B, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the bear, so wide they got you deep. Low place to hide. Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you see in one big dash. Hey! Mr. D, where are you? Oh no! Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the deer and free. Mr. Q, Mr. Q, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the bush so small. But I saw it all. Unto our Mr. Where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the jungle stone. But you're not alone. Slithering under leafy bed. Up you'll see door file 99. A to C all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Hiding under leaves so wide.
Oh no!
Pet your tongue outside. Mystery, mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Flying high above the sky. But don't fly by. Did you stop Oh no, baby shark, is it today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check. Runs in fast, how with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check, boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, feeling rake. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. ding ding bell, school is near, but something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, step, step,